Hello everybody, C. Ray Brower here with Your Perfect Home, and we've made it. Step number 11, the closing. We've been all the way through all 10 of the 11 steps. We are now at the closing table. This is when the funds get transferred from the buyer to escrow and into your account, where your title is transferred into their name. Final arrangements are made for you to move out of your house. We get your house cleaned up for the new buyers to be moving in, and everybody goes home happy. It's been a pleasure going over all 11 steps with you. Again, if you have any questions whatsoever about any of the 11 steps to sell your San Joaquin County home, feel free to give me a call at 209-300-0311. You go out and be the sunshine in somebody's rainy day, and never ever forget to see Ray to find your perfect home. Thanks again. It's been a pleasure. Hope to talk to you real soon. Thanks.